done anything to him. We looked at everything.
Bird.
So that's why we
Got
asked
a bird
questions in
here.
front of the people that was there. The
Looking
questions
for
that asked everything he
Din
talked to you about.
Din.
And they didn't have no witness. Now
Got
they
a
turn
Din
into
Din.
slander. They turn into murmuring. They turn into presumption.
Oh,
they turn
yes,
into discord.
bird.
They turn into what they are.
Bird.
Now you get to judge. Is that righteousness anybody in the goddamn room?
Bird. Oh,
So at the end of the day, this is what I say, even in the court of law,
from Tiger
right?
House.
You don't come with what you feel, what you have a hunch about, what you think.
Tiger
You
House
can't do that.
is
No witnesses. That was my biggest thing. I'm like, okay,
gives
he's
me
saying it. Are you sure it's you?
difficulties.
Yes. Okay.
A
Sure you're
bird.
not taking this personal.
Go
See, this is my question.
hunting for
This is me
your
turning on the elder's
Din
mind at this
Din.
time. I'm like, man, hold up. I see what you're saying, but I'm doing cross-examination. Now I'm putting myself in Pastor Dow's shoes. Now I'm trying to play, okay, I'm trying to understand you. I went back and listened to the
Okay,
videos.
bird.
Listen to what you're telling me.
Have fun
Okay, I hear
hunting
what he's
for
saying.
Din Din and
Alright,
keep
but it's like,
smiling.